What do you want the great Katanga to do for you?
Baba, you know say me na pastor. So I want make you run something for me where I will feel overthrown senior pastor so that I will be you know now.
Okay. Consider it done.
Okay.
What do you want the great Katanga to do for you?
Baba, me are the politician.
Yes.
And the next election is around the corner.
Okay.
I don't do 2 tenor already.
2 tenure.
And you know by constitution, na only 2 tenor are they allowed to do.
Okay.
And I won't go for 3 tenor.
So you don't do 2 tenure before?
Yes, Baba.
Now the third one I won't go for.
It's the 3rd time. Yeah. So I come make it do work for me. So no matter what they talk, constitution this or constitution that, I go win the next election.
Okay. Consider it done, you're in the right place. But una money no plenty. Each of una 10 million naira. Now. Yes.
Baba,
That no be issue now.
Okay, account number.
Just for the
74
okay.
25 80 95 400.
Done. I just sent 15 million.
Okay.
Baba, I need 20 million. If I win the next election, Baba, I go buy a car.
The great Katanga! You have never failed me. Don't fail me this time too. Don't worry. It will work. Let me give you people something that you use and everything will work out for you. So just have this, the power and the everything to collect everything from your fellow and from your politics stuff.
Why they give us book now? Do normal juju for person now.
What you normal to do?
Baba, you don't chop our money.
No be so they will give you money, they will give you tight to go chop. They will come, you go say prophet fake offer, you go collect and chop. They will give politician money for project. Now we chop and I know do it for good for the country.
Thunder.